Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to hide multiple payment gateway for multiple product categories in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page. So this is our product. So we are going to disable multiple payment gateway for multiple product categories. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So open it and then you see product. So open categories. Now go to WooCommerce setting and then you see payment. So click on it. Now scroll down. You see different payment method. So click on any. Then in URL you see section is equal to check. So this is our payment gateway ID. So in this way you can find out payment gateway ID in URL. Now you see section is equal to check. Now go to product categories. Now scroll down. You see multiple categories. So click on edit. Now in URL you see category ID 33. So in this way you can find product categories in URL. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation scroll down. On left side you see code snipper, then you see add snipper, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snipper section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snipper. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see category IDs array 4934. So you can add multiple category IDs here. Now scroll down, you see payment gateway disable for multiple categories. You see COD, this is ID. Now you see BACS, this is direct bank transfer payment gateway ID. And then you see Stripe. If you want to add more payment gateway IDs, now copy if and then paste and then add PayPal payment gateway ID. Now add PayPal and you will find code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. So we are in review and payment section. So this is our product. Now you see only check payment enable, remaining direct bank transfer and cash on delivery disabled for multiple product categories. Back to edit code. In code you can add multiple payment gateway ID and then you can add product categories in array. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.